If you'd like to get early access to more videos like this and help decide what you'll see next, please consider joining the Patreon from £1 a month. The link is in the description. Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you a few places you can get past the invisible walls in Thomas & Friends Wonders of Sodor. So once you get to your starting location, you need to spawn any engine or train, enter the cab and sit in the driver's seat. You don't need to set a route, but go to the free camera. On PS5, this is the 5th option. Once you can move freely about, it's time to look for breaks in the walls. Firstly, here is an access point near Hackenback Tunnel on Thomas's branch line. I've spawned to Maithwaite, got to my engine, and now I'm travelling up with my free camera. When you get to the crossing, simply try to walk on this road. When you hit the invisible wall, keep going forward whilst aiming towards the road, and you should be out of bounds in moments. Once you're out, you can go anywhere you please. And here's one more, at Henry's Tunnel. Using this Percy I spawned earlier, from the west side of the tunnel we get the same camera as before, then wind our way through these trees to get to the road. From here, we'll need to aim up and away towards the top of the ridge. It can take a bit of time to find the right angle, but as soon as you do, you'll be free. I hope this little guide helps you explore the outer world of Sodor. It takes a bit of trial and error to get through, but once you do, it's kind of cool out here. These are just two of the ones I've found on the island in different places, to give you starting points to navigate the blocked areas. I've found more, but let me know down below if you found any others, and what cool stuff you found on Sodor while passing the walls. I hope Dovetail don't patch these closed, but if they do, it was a pleasure walking around the unfinished areas of this wonderful game. Thanks for watching everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the Patreon like these fine folk to help pick the next video subject, get early access to new content and help support the channel.